Hello students, I am Dr. Kavita Tote, Assistant Professor of Adhyapak Mahavidyalaya, Vadgaon. Students, today we are going to study information about components of educational research. Let us understand the three components of educational research. They are concept of educational research, characteristics of educational research, and need of educational research. Let us first understand what educational research is. Educational research is a process of solving problems related to education. It is careful and critical search for knowledge related to education. It is a formal process to correct previous errors, manipulate and control variables, verify and extend theories and generalities, and discover new things with an ultimate objective to advance for the welfare of the society. Educational research refers to the systematic collection and analysis of data related to the field of education. Research may involve a variety of methods and various aspects of education, that is student learning, teaching methods, teacher training, classroom dynamics, etc. etc. Educational researchers generally agree that research should be rigorous and systematic. However, there is less agreement about specific standards, criteria, and research procedures. Educational researchers may draw upon a variety of disciplines including psychology, sociology, anthropology, and philosophy. Methods may be drawn from a range of disciplines. Conclusions drawn from an individual research study may be limited by the characteristics of the participants who were studied and the conditions under which the study was conducted. With the concept of educational research, you need to understand the characteristics of educational research. First is research is directed towards the solution of problem. The ultimate goal is to discover cause and effect relationship between variables. Research is a continuous inquiry in search of knowledge. It emphasizes the development of generalization, principles, theories. It is based upon observable experiences and empirical evidences. Research rejects revelation and dogmas as methods of establishing knowledge. Research employs in-depth review of related literature. Next, it depends on valid and reliable data gathering procedure. It demands accurate observations and descriptions. Research applies a systematic and scientific procedure for the study. It involves gathering of new data from first-hand sources or existing data, that is primary or secondary source, for a new purposes. It is based on carefully designed procedure with rigorous analysis. It requires expertise. It is an objective, logical process and ultimate personal bias. It involves the quest of answer to unsolved problems, possibility for replication. It is carefully recorded and reported. Quantitative research involves hypothesis testing using suitable statistical techniques. Qualitative research involves objective, thick description on data. Educational research is research that deals with every aspect of education. That is, it is just as important to understand the need for educational research. Mostly concerned with human behavior, and human behavior is not so simple. So, needs research in education. Within the educational planning, many things are always changing. That is, structure of education, curriculum, textbooks, teaching method, laboratories, textbooks, furniture, classroom supplies, and so on. Education today is child-centered. All-round development of the personality of the child is one of the important goals of the education. Educational research is needed to solve various problems related to measurement, evaluation, and development of personality of the child. The meaning we give to education today is more vast and complex. It is a cluster of difficult traders, an aggregate of processes based on specific techniques and actions with individuals and groups, that is organized, planned, controlled and evaluated. In order to solve the complexity of relationships and processes, a considerable research in education is needed. Students, today's video we have tried to understand what educational research is, its characteristics and needs. In the next video, let's understand the other components of educational research. You will definitely like the video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.